Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Once again I found one of the best platform, one of the best project in this crypto market. This project is new, token is not available, roadmap is not available, team members are not available, but this project will give you loan in order to start your trading. You can store your assets in order to have a passive income. So the whole thing I will cover inside this video. We will check their official website, we will check the complete detail. About any question that you have, I will cover inside this video. So don't skip any part of the video if you want to have a passive income, if you need a funds to start your trading. Okay, now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about coin reviews, project reviews, even cryptocurrency, meme coins, crypto updates, indicators, price action, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So this is the project Daxi.net. As I told you, in this project you cannot find the token, you cannot find the roadmap, technomics, because for now the token is not available. This project is only to give you a loan, to give you a passive income by just storing your assets in here. You need to create account and then sign in here, store your assets inside your personal wallet. So by storing, you will get a passive income. Even if you don't have fund and you want to start trading, because you know price action, you know indicators, you understand the chart, so this project will give you a loan. The interest depends on amount of your loan, whether how much you want to take loan from here, so the interest will depend on that. Okay, so step by step I will cover inside this video the whole thing. I will tell you whatever you want to know. So first of all, what is Daxi? Daxi is a decentralized liquidity market platform that allows users to participate as providers or borrowers. Providers can provide liquidity to the market and earn passive income, while borrowers can borrow with over collateralized or under collateralized loan. Like how? I have funds, I will stack my funds or I will store my fund in here, so I will get passive income. And then another person don't have fund, so they will take my funds as a loan and they will provide interest in here. So this is the main idea of this project. So how can I collaborate with Daxi? All you need to do to work with Daxi is to provide the desired asset and the amount of money. You can then generate passive income based on the demand for credit on the market. In addition, providing assets allow you to borrow using these assets as collateral. So, and then you can check how can I contact, am I making a profit every day? Of course, yes. You receive a daily profit according to the size of your deposit and the length of it. In addition, you can earn extra interest from the Daxi loyalty scheme. The longer your assets is managed by Daxi, the higher your interest rate will be. This allows you to earn higher returns over time, which can be useful for your own financial goals. So moreover, you can check this question, how do I register? So for that, in order to register in here, so what do you need to do? Like fill in the registration form by entering the required information such as name, email, password, and read and agree. This is how you can register in here. Even in the future, you can find the mobile application of Daxi, like you can download using Google Play Store and App Store in order to use it using your mobile phone, using your. This is the feature of this project. Do you urgently need the means to realize your goals? Do you trust your own wallet? Are you unhappy with the coin's rising profits? So if you want to know more about this feature, simply click on view more so you can get the whole thing about this. What does Daxi offer me? Daxi is a unique system that offers you the use of many services either individually or all at once. You decide for yourself how to control your crypto assets. So can I get fixed lending terms and conditions? You can access additional funds without selling your own crypto assets on various terms and conditions. Has your crypto asset added in value? You can always return it and take advantage of a full sale at any time. Your personal asset quantity is constant. So, and then you can check the plan, choose your new plan. In here we have leading up to 80% income from 1%. So your income is start from 1%. Even you can check, like we have fixed profit, we have instant withdrawal of funds, variation in cooperation, even lending, we have new opportunities, we have unchanged condition, increased turnover, no restriction. So this is the plan that you can join in here. Simply click get started. If we check about this project like leading, as we have new opportunities, unchanging terms and condition, no limit. No limit means you can take out an unlimited number of loans, so you can choose the best conditions for yourself in the here and now. Waiting mode, and then we have increased turnover, flexible terms and condition. Also, if we check the security, so about the security, you can get inflationary partners, a smart approach, functionality, universality, partnership, automation. So this is the security of this project. Also, you can check the profit also, like we have a daily profit, like you have a passive income, a fix, your profit is fixed, even safe, your assets are safe in here, take it is a increase, diversify. So this is all about this project. Like you can check yourself step by step if you want to start with this project. Do your own research, because this video is sponsored by Daxi.net. So again, do your own research before starting with this project. I'm here to just provide you a new platform, to just give a review of a new platform. If you love this, so you can start with it. So in here you can find amazing things, like you can take a loan, unlimited loan you can take in here with a small interest. Even you can store your assets in here in order to have a passive income. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you love this video. So the main part of this project is to take loan or just store your assets in order to have a passive income. But you cannot find a special things in here. Themes, unknown, tokens, no tokens in here, no roadmap, nothing is in here. But only two things that we love about this project is that everyone can take loan, unlimited number of loan, and then store your assets in order to have a passive income. Only these two. So tell me in the comment section what do you think about this project. So smash the like button to a new all-time high if you understand this video, if you like this video, if you love this project. So still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.